In the competitive field of SAP FICO, preparation is key to succeeding in interviews. This video presents the top 25 interview questions that candidates may encounter, along with comprehensive answers to help them effectively showcase their skills and knowledge. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a newcomer, understanding these questions can enhance your confidence. Join us as we explore essential concepts and practical insights that will aid you in navigating your SAP FICO interview successfully. 1. What are the key components of SAP FICO? SAP FICO consists of two main components: financial accounting, FI, and controlling, CO. FI focuses on external financial reporting and encompasses tasks such as accounts payable, accounts receivable, general ledger, asset accounting, and bank accounting. CO, on the other hand, is geared toward internal management needs, providing detailed information for decision-making through cost centers, profit centers, internal orders, and profitability analysis. These components work together to ensure accurate financial reporting and effective management of costs within an organization, allowing for seamless integration with other SAP modules like MM and SD. 2. Explain the difference between SAP FI and SAP CO modules. SAP FI, financial accounting, focuses on external financial reporting and ensures compliance with accounting standards. It handles functions like accounts payable, accounts receivable, general ledger, and asset accounting. In contrast, SAP CO, controlling, is geared towards internal management and cost control, providing tools for budgeting, cost tracking, and profitability analysis. While FI deals with financial transactions and reporting for external stakeholders, CO supports decision-making processes by analyzing cost structures and performance within an organization. These modules work together, but their primary objectives differ significantly. 3. What is a company code in SAP FICO and how is it used? A company code in SAP FICO represents an independent accounting entity within an organization. It is the basic organizational unit for financial accounting and allows for the preparation of financial statements like balance sheets and profit and loss accounts. Each company code must have its own chart of accounts and fiscal year variant. Transactions within a company code are captured in a separate set of books, ensuring compliance with legal requirements. This structure facilitates detailed financial reporting and analysis, enabling organizations to monitor financial performance at a granular level. 4. Describe the process of creating a new general ledger account. Creating a new general ledger account in SAP FICO involves several key steps. First, navigate to the Create Master Record transaction, FS00. Select the appropriate chart of accounts and specify the account type, such as balance sheet or income statement. Fill in essential details like account number, account name, and description. Define the control parameters, such as whether the account is open item managed or not. Set up field status groups to control the data entry requirements. Finally, save the new account record, ensuring it aligns with the company's accounting policies and reporting needs. 5. What is the purpose of a controlling area in SAP CO? A controlling area in SAP CO serves as an organizational unit that enables management to monitor and control costs. It acts as a central entity for planning, reporting, and analysis within the controlling module. Each controlling area can encompass multiple company codes, allowing for comprehensive cost tracking across different business units. By facilitating the management of internal reporting and cost allocations, the controlling area helps organizations understand their financial performance and make informed decisions regarding budgeting and resource allocation. 6. How do you handle foreign currency valuation in SAP FICO? Handling foreign currency valuation in SAP FICO involves several key steps. First, configure the currency types and valuation methods in the system. Then, perform periodic evaluations by running the transaction code FAGL_FCV to assess unrealized gains or losses. This process requires setting up exchange rate types and defining valuation areas. After executing the valuation run, review the results and post any necessary adjustments to ensure financial statements reflect accurate currency values. Regular monitoring of exchange rates helps maintain compliance with accounting standards and ensures that financial reports are reliable. 7. Explain the concept of document splitting in SAP FICO. Document splitting is a critical feature in SAP FICO that enhances financial reporting by ensuring that transactions are accurately reflected across various dimensions such as profit centers, cost centers, and segments. When a document is posted, document splitting automatically generates additional line items to represent the distribution of amounts across these dimensions. This allows for detailed reporting and analysis, facilitating compliance with legal requirements and internal reporting standards. By enabling segmented financial statements, document splitting enhances the granularity of data available for decision-making and improves the financial visibility of an organization. 8. What are the main organizational elements in SAP FI? The main organizational elements in SAP FI include the company code, which is the central organizational unit representing a legal entity, the chart of accounts, which defines the structure of accounts used in financial reporting, the business area, which allows for segment reporting, and the functional area, which is used for categorizing revenue and expenses for internal reporting. Additionally, there are organizational units like cost centers and profit centers that support internal management and controlling processes, facilitating detailed financial analysis and reporting across the organization. 9. How do you configure and use profit centers in SAP FICO? To configure profit centers in SAP FICO, first, navigate to the SAP system and access the configuration settings for profit center accounting. Create a new profit center by defining its attributes, such as name, description, and validity period. Assign the profit center to a controlling area and link it to relevant cost centers, internal orders, or revenues. You can then activate the profit center for reporting purposes. Usage involves monitoring performance by analyzing profit center reports, allowing for detailed insights into profitability and cost management. This setup aids in strategic decision-making and enhances financial transparency. 10. Describe the process of month-end closing in SAP FICO. In SAP FICO, the month-end closing process involves several key steps to ensure accurate financial reporting. First, all transactions for the month must be posted, including invoices, payments, and adjustments. Next, account reconciliations are performed to verify the accuracy of balances in accounts. After reconciliation, necessary journal entries are made, including accruals and deferrals. The closing activities also include running various reports to analyze financial performance and ensure compliance. Finally, the financial statements are generated and reviewed for accuracy before the period is officially closed, allowing for timely reporting and analysis. 11. What steps are involved in configuring a new company code? Configuring a new company code in SAP FICO involves several steps. First, access the SAP IMG implementation guide and navigate to Financial Accounting (FI) to General Settings to define company code. Next, enter the required details such as the company code name, address, and currency. After that, set up the fiscal year variant and assign the chart of accounts. You must also define the posting period variant and assign it to the company code. Lastly, configure additional settings like tax configuration, document types, and integration with other modules as necessary. 12. How would you set up a chart of accounts for a new client? To set up a chart of accounts for a new client in SAP FICO, begin by defining the account structure based on the client's reporting requirements and industry standards. Identify the required account categories such as assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Create a hierarchical structure that allows for easy reporting and analysis. Assign account numbers, ensuring they follow a logical sequence. Configure account types, account groups, and relevant attributes. Finally, test the chart of accounts in the system to ensure accuracy and compliance with financial reporting standards. 13. Explain the process of configuring automatic payment programs. Configuring automatic payment programs in SAP FICO involves several steps. First, define the payment method for each company code, specifying the bank details and preferences. Next, create a payment program variant, where settings like payment run parameters, due date calculations, and payment media formats are established. After that, assign the appropriate payment method to the vendor master records. Finally, run the payment program and generate payment proposals, allowing for review and approval before executing the payments. Regular monitoring and adjustments are essential to ensure smooth operations. 14. What considerations are important when implementing SAP FICO in a global organization? Implementing SAP FICO in a global organization requires careful planning and consideration. Key factors include addressing local compliance and regulatory requirements for each country, which may involve tax laws, reporting standards, and currency handling. Cultural differences in financial processes should be acknowledged, ensuring user training is tailored to specific regions. Additionally, integrating SAP FICO with other SAP modules and legacy systems is crucial for seamless data flow. Establishing a robust governance framework to manage changes and updates across regions will help maintain data consistency and accuracy throughout the organization. 15. How do you handle tax configuration for multiple countries in SAP FICO? Handling tax configuration for multiple countries in SAP FICO involves several critical steps. First, you must identify the specific tax requirements for each country, including types of taxes applicable, rates, and reporting needs. Next, configure tax codes and assign them to the relevant general ledger accounts. It is also essential to set up tax jurisdiction codes when necessary. Regularly update tax rates and ensure compliance with local regulations. Testing the configuration in various scenarios can help identify any issues before going live, ensuring accurate tax calculations and reporting. 16. Describe a complex reconciliation issue you've encountered and how you resolved it. A complex reconciliation issue involved discrepancies between the accounts payable and general ledger due to incorrect invoice postings. The invoices were recorded with wrong amounts and not matched against purchase orders. To resolve this, I initiated a thorough audit of all outstanding invoices and compared them with their respective purchase orders. I identified the mismatches, corrected the entries in the system, and communicated with the procurement team to prevent future discrepancies. Implementing a more stringent review process for invoice approvals helped ensure accuracy moving forward. 17. How would you approach optimizing the financial close process using SAP FICO? Optimizing the financial close process in SAP FICO involves several strategic steps. Firstly, ensure that all entries are recorded promptly and accurately throughout the period. Automating repetitive tasks, such as data entry and report generation, can significantly reduce manual errors and save time. Implementing real-time financial reporting allows for continuous monitoring of key metrics. Training staff on best practices in SAP FICO enhances efficiency. Regularly reviewing and updating processes based on feedback and performance metrics can lead to continuous improvement, enabling quicker and more accurate financial closing. 18. What strategies do you use to ensure data accuracy and integrity in SAP FICO? Data accuracy and integrity in SAP FICO can be ensured through several strategies. First, implement rigorous data validation rules during data entry to prevent errors. Regularly conduct data audits to identify and rectify discrepancies. Utilize automated reconciliation processes to compare and confirm data across different sources. Establish clear data governance policies that define roles and responsibilities for data management. Training users on best practices for data handling also contributes significantly to maintaining data quality. Lastly, leverage SAP tools and reports to monitor data trends and anomalies effectively. 19. How would you handle a situation where actual costs significantly deviate from planned costs? When actual costs deviate significantly from planned costs, the first step is to analyze the variance by reviewing the cost components, identifying the root cause of the discrepancy. This could involve scrutinizing invoices, labor hours, and material usage. Engaging with project managers or relevant teams can provide insights into unexpected expenses or operational inefficiencies. Once the cause is identified, adjustments can be made, such as revising forecasts, reallocating budgets, or implementing corrective actions. Regular monitoring and variance analysis will help prevent future occurrences and improve forecasting accuracy. 20. Explain how you would set up a new cost center hierarchy for a reorganized department. Setting up a new cost center hierarchy involves several steps. First, analyze the new organizational structure and identify the key functions within the reorganized department. Next, create a logical hierarchy by defining cost centers that reflect these functions and their relationships. Assign appropriate attributes such as cost center manager, functional area, and budget parameters. Configure the system to ensure accurate reporting and tracking. Finally, test the hierarchy for accuracy and alignment with financial reporting requirements before going live. Training users on the new structure is also essential for smooth operations. 21. How does SAP FICO integrate with other SAP modules like MM and SD? SAP FICO integrates seamlessly with other SAP modules such as MM, Materials Management, and SD, Sales and Distribution. In MM, integration allows for automatic posting of financial transactions related to procurement, such as goods receipt and invoice verification, ensuring that inventory values and related expenses are accurately reflected in financial reports. In SD, integration facilitates the automatic posting of revenue and accounts receivable when sales orders are processed, improving the accuracy of financial data. This interconnectedness helps maintain data consistency across modules, enabling comprehensive financial analysis and reporting. 22. What are the key differences between Classic GL and New GL in SAP? The key differences between Classic GL and New GL in SAP include the capability for parallel accounting, which allows multiple ledgers for different accounting principles, such as IFRS and local GAAP. New GL supports document splitting automatically, ensuring that financial statements reflect detailed segment reporting. Additionally, New GL offers enhanced reporting features, real-time data processing, and integration with business processes, which improves financial analysis and reduces reconciliation efforts. Transitioning from Classic GL to New GL also streamlines the financial close process and facilitates better compliance with international accounting standards. 23. Explain the concept of parallel valuations in SAP FICO. Parallel valuations in SAP FICO allow organizations to manage multiple accounting standards simultaneously. This feature is essential for businesses operating in different countries or adhering to various regulations, such as IFRS and local GAAP. It enables the creation of multiple valuation methods, typically using the ledger concept. Each ledger can represent a different valuation approach, allowing real-time financial reporting and analysis. This capability supports accurate financial consolidation and reporting by ensuring that all stakeholders have access to relevant financial data tailored to their specific regulatory requirements. 24. How can SAP FICO be used to support IFRS compliance? SAP FICO supports IFRS compliance by offering functionalities that facilitate adherence to international financial reporting standards. It allows for the configuration of multiple ledgers, enabling organizations to maintain parallel accounting records for IFRS and local GAAP. The system supports various valuation methods, ensuring accurate asset and liability recognition. Additionally, SAP FICO provides detailed reporting capabilities, allowing firms to generate IFRS-compliant financial statements efficiently. Customization options in the system help align financial processes with specific IFRS requirements, ensuring timely and accurate reporting. 25. What are some best practices for implementing SAP S/4HANA Finance? When implementing SAP S/4HANA Finance, it's crucial to start with a clear understanding of business processes and requirements. Engaging stakeholders early ensures alignment and buy-in. Utilize SAP Activate methodology for structured project management. Data cleansing is essential. Ensure that legacy data is accurate before migration. Leverage the Fiori interface for user-friendly access to financial data. Conduct thorough testing and training sessions to prepare users for the new system. Finally, establish a post-go-live support plan to address any issues that may arise during the transition. In this video, we've explored the top 25 SAP FICO interview questions and answers to help you prepare effectively for your next interview. Understanding these key concepts and being ready to articulate your knowledge will give you a competitive edge in the job market. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed the content and think it can help others as well, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on SAP and other tech topics. Your support means a lot to us.